We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 9. There are a total of 463,100 books in a library. What is the value of the exponent when this number is written in scientific notation? 463,100 is equal to 4.631 times 10 power of 5. Therefore, the value of the exponent is 5. Question number 10. Monica wants to open a savings account with a deposit of $3,000. Monica will not make any additional deposits or withdrawals after she opens the account. Her bank offers 2 different savings accounts. Account X pays 2.1% simple annual interest. Account Y pays 2.4% interest compounded annually. Simple annual interest I equals PRT, where P represents the principal, which means the initial loan amount. R represents the interest rate, in decimal form, and T represents the length of time in years. Account X pays 2.1%, which means 0.021. So, 3,000 times 0.021 times 5 equals 315. Account Y pays 2.4% interest compounded annually. The formula for compound interest I equals P times 1 plus R over N power of NT, which is equal to 3,000 times 1 plus 0.024 power of 5 equals 3,377.70. 3,377.70 subtracts 3,000 equals $337.70 interest compound annually of account Y. Option F. Account X would earn Monica about 62 to 70 more interest than account Y. Account X earns $315. Account Y earns $337.70. So F is incorrect. Option G. Account Y would earn Monica about 62.70 more interest than account X. $377.70 minus 315 equals 62.70. Therefore, G is the correct answer. Question number 11. The graph of a linear function is shown on the coordinate grid. What is the y-intercept of the graph of this function? I equals mx plus b. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's use 2 points, 4, 8, and -5, -7 on the coordinate grid. M equals 8 minus -7 over 4 minus -5 equals 15 over 9, which is equal to 5 over 3. Substitute x and y of point 4, 8 to equation y equals mx plus b to find value of b. B equals 4 over 3. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 12. A circle is graphed on a coordinate grid with its center at -4, 7. The circle will be translated p units to the right, means addition, and v units down, means subtraction. Hence, G is the correct answer.